Did you know your kidneys filter around 170 liters of blood every single day? That's a lot of work. But when toxins like uric acid and oxalates start to build up, you could be facing painful kidney stones, joint discomfort, or even high blood pressure. Luckily, there's a simple daily drink that may help cleanse your kidneys and reduce these harmful substances naturally. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy, powerful drink that can help support your kidney health by flushing out excess uric acid and oxalates. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, so be sure to check with your doctor before trying any natural remedies, especially if you have existing health conditions. Your kidneys work hard every day, filtering toxins, medications, and waste products from your blood. But when certain compounds like uric acid and oxalates build up, they can lead to kidney stones, joint pain, and even blood pressure issues. So, let's dive into a natural solution that may help support your kidneys, starting with a simple daily drink recipe that's packed with cleansing benefits. The first key ingredient in our kidney cleanse drink is raw lemon juice. Start by squeezing the juice of a whole fresh lemon, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, directly into your glass. This step alone packs a powerful punch for kidney health. Lemons are rich in citric acid, a natural compound that helps to alkalize your urine. By increasing the alkalinity of your urine, citric acid makes it harder for minerals like uric acid and oxalates to form crystals or stones in your kidneys. Essentially, this ingredient helps create an environment that can prevent painful stone formation before it even begins. Additionally, lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant. This vitamin not only supports your immune system, but also plays a role in reducing inflammation throughout your body, including in the kidneys. Regularly consuming lemon juice may help ease stress on your kidneys, keeping them functioning smoothly as they work to filter and cleanse your blood. And as a bonus, lemon juice adds a naturally fresh, tangy flavor to the drink, making it more enjoyable to drink every day. The second ingredient in this kidney cleanse drink is simple but essential: water. Add 500 milliliters of mineral or spring water to your glass after the lemon juice. Hydration is crucial for your kidneys, as it's what allows them to filter and flush out waste products like uric acid and oxalates effectively. Without enough water, these substances can become highly concentrated in your urine, increasing the likelihood of forming crystals or stones. Staying hydrated helps to keep your urine diluted, preventing uric acid and oxalates from crystallizing and sticking together. For anyone prone to kidney stones, gout, or joint pain, regular hydration is key to minimizing flare-ups and protecting kidney health. And for most of us, daily life can lead to mild dehydration, so starting your day with this water-rich drink is a simple way to support your kidneys and get ahead of any issues. It's also ideal to use mineral or spring water when possible. These water types often contain essential minerals like magnesium and calcium that may further support kidney function and overall hydration. So, as simple as water may seem, it's a powerful component of this drink, helping flush toxins from your system and keep your kidneys in peak working condition. The third ingredient in this kidney cleanse drink is a potent herbal extract called Chanka Piedra, often referred to as the stone breaker. Add around 15 drops of Chanka Piedra extract to your drink. This Amazonian medicinal herb has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to support kidney health, specifically for its remarkable ability to break down kidney stones and prevent new ones from forming. Chanka Piedra contains plant compounds that may help reduce the binding of calcium with oxalates in the kidneys, which is one of the primary causes of kidney stone formation. By helping to dissolve these crystals before they have a chance to grow, Chanka Piedra not only supports natural kidney detoxification, but also makes it easier for your body to pass small stones without discomfort. Additionally, it helps prevent the crystallization of uric acid, a process that can lead to painful stones and contribute to gout flare-ups in joints. The benefits of Chanka Piedra don't end there. This herb is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which may aid in reducing kidney inflammation and protecting against cellular damage. For anyone looking to maintain kidney health and reduce the risk of stone formation, Chanka Piedra can be a powerful natural addition to the daily cleanse drink. The next ingredient in our kidney cleanse drink is magnesium citrate, a mineral that plays an important role in kidney health. Add 1 teaspoon of magnesium citrate powder to the glass. Magnesium binds with oxalates in the intestines, preventing them from being absorbed into the bloodstream and reaching the kidneys where they can crystallize and form stones. In other words, magnesium acts as a buffer against oxalates, helping to keep them from causing trouble in your kidneys. Furthermore, magnesium supports overall kidney function by aiding in the production of urine and helping to filter the blood more effectively, reducing inflammation and promoting better kidney performance. Following magnesium, we add potassium citrate, a half teaspoon of which goes into the drink. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps to balance fluid levels in the body and alkalize urine, which prevents the buildup of acidic substances like uric acid and oxalates in the kidneys. By keeping the urine more alkaline, potassium citrate can make it harder for kidney stones to form and helps protect the kidneys from potential damage caused by high blood sugar. Potassium also assists with regulating blood pressure, adding an additional layer of protection to support your kidney health long-term. Our sixth ingredient is apple cider vinegar, specifically 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered ACV. This natural powerhouse contains acetic acid, which may help dissolve small kidney stones and make it easier for the body to pass them. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar can also help break down uric acid and calcium phosphate stones, supporting a smoother detoxification process. Additionally, apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties, which may help reduce the risk of kidney infections. Plus, its anti-inflammatory benefits make it a useful ally in reducing general inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Finally, you have the option to add 10 to 20 drops of liquid stevia to taste. Stevia is a natural zero-calorie sweetener that can help cut the acidity of the drink and make it more enjoyable without raising blood sugar levels. This makes it a great choice for those who prefer a sweeter taste but want to avoid the blood sugar spikes that come with regular sugar or artificial sweeteners. How to prepare the drink? To make this kidney cleanse drink, start by taking a large glass and squeezing in the juice of a whole, fresh lemon. It's best to use a raw lemon rather than bottled lemon juice, as fresh lemon juice contains more active compounds. Next, pour in 500 milliliters of mineral or spring water. This provides a hydrating base that's essential for kidney function. After the lemon juice and water, add 15 drops of Chanka Piedra extract, the herb that helps break down stones and prevent new ones from forming. Then measure out 1 teaspoon of magnesium citrate powder and 1/2 teaspoon of potassium citrate powder, adding each to the glass. These powders support your body's natural ability to prevent oxalate absorption and balance acidity. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar to boost the drink's anti-inflammatory and cleansing effects. Stir everything together well until the powders are fully dissolved. If you'd like a touch of sweetness, add 10 to 20 drops of liquid stevia to taste. Once prepared, this drink is best enjoyed in the morning on an empty stomach, as this allows your body to fully absorb the nutrients and maximize their effects. Take your time sipping it. Drinking slowly can help ensure that each ingredient is properly absorbed and that your digestive system can process it gently. For best results, aim to drink this kidney cleanse beverage daily over a period of 4 to 6 weeks. This consistency allows the ingredients to work effectively, supporting kidney health and helping flush out uric acid and oxalates over time. Remember, as with any natural remedy, patience is key to experiencing the full range of benefits. Beyond this daily kidney cleanse drink, there are additional lifestyle tips that can further support your kidneys. First, be mindful of your caffeine and alcohol intake. Both caffeine and alcohol act as diuretics, which means they can dehydrate your body and put extra stress on your kidneys. When you're dehydrated, your urine becomes more concentrated, which can lead to a buildup of uric acid and oxalates, increasing your risk for kidney stones. Try to limit caffeine to 1 or 2 cups a day and keep alcohol consumption moderate. Balancing these beverages with plenty of water can help mitigate their dehydrating effects. Next, focus on adding antioxidant-rich foods to your diet. Foods like grass-fed beef, mixed berries, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are rich in antioxidants that help to reduce oxidative stress on the kidneys. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including those in the kidneys. These foods also provide phytonutrients that support natural detoxification pathways, which can ease the kidney's workload over time. If you're prone to kidney stones or have a family history of them, consider avoiding or limiting foods that are high in oxalates, as these can contribute to stone formation. Common high oxalate foods include spinach, nuts, rhubarb, beets, sweet potatoes, and whole wheat. However, if you enjoy these foods, pairing them with calcium-rich foods, such as a small amount of cheese, can help. Calcium binds to oxalates in the intestines, preventing them from being absorbed and reaching the kidneys, where they can form crystals. Hydration is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support kidney health. Aim to drink at least 2.5 liters of water daily to help dilute your urine and flush out waste products. This is especially important if you have a history of gout, arthritis, or kidney stones, as staying hydrated reduces the concentration of uric acid and oxalates, minimizing the chances of crystal formation. Lastly, consider adding probiotics and vitamin D3 to your wellness routine. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut, which can assist with digesting food and breaking down uric acid before it reaches the kidneys. Taking a high-quality probiotic daily can support a healthy digestive environment that benefits kidney health. Vitamin D3, meanwhile, aids in the absorption of calcium in the intestines, which allows calcium to bind with oxalates in the gut instead of reaching the kidneys. By managing oxalates before they have a chance to build up, vitamin D3 can be a valuable addition to your kidney-friendly diet. With these additional tips, you'll be helping your kidneys stay healthy and function optimally, reducing the risk of stone formation and supporting your overall well-being. To wrap things up, let's recap the simple yet powerful kidney cleanse recipe we discussed today. This drink combines raw lemon juice, mineral water, Chanka Piedra, magnesium and potassium citrate powders, apple cider vinegar, and an optional touch of stevia. Each ingredient works synergistically to help lower levels of uric acid and oxalates in the body, helping to reduce the risk of kidney stones and inflammation while naturally supporting kidney health. Drinking this blend daily gives your kidneys the nutrients they need to stay hydrated, filter waste efficiently, and maintain balance. Remember, while this drink can be a fantastic addition to your routine, consistency is key. Stick with it over a period of 4 to 6 weeks, and don't forget the other lifestyle changes we covered, like limiting caffeine and alcohol, eating antioxidant-rich foods, and staying hydrated. Together, these habits can create a strong foundation for kidney health, helping you stay healthy and feel your best. If you have chronic kidney issues or are taking medications, please consult your doctor before starting this or any natural remedy to ensure it's safe for your specific needs. Kidney health is essential, and your healthcare provider can guide you on any adjustments that might work best for your situation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future health tips and natural remedy videos. And if you're interested in learning more about how to keep your kidneys in top shape, check out the related video on kidney health linked on the screen. Here's to a healthier you. See you in the next video.